Wood turning is perhaps my favorite type of woodworking, but what if I want to expand my time at the lathe to turning materials beyond wood? Man-made or exotic materials like acrylic or corian or resin. The development team at Easy Wood Tools has the answer. Hi, I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal, and as you can see, I am indeed exploring a new aspect of turning with this acrylic handle blank. And I'm using Easy Wood Tools to do it, but my tip, I replaced it with a negative rake cutter. Easy Wood Tools is the innovator when it comes to carbide turning tools. And they've been coming up with great new ideas and combining those high-tech details in each new tool they bring out. Everything from the ultra-practical square toolbars, their innovative scroll chuck, to their elegant negative rake cutters. Wood turning is as old as the hills, but something that's really come to the fore of late is the desire to turn resin-based and plastic materials like this acrylic that I have mounted here. And for good reason, because these blanks come in a variety of beautiful colors and hues and look great when they're turned into handles and pens. They can be challenging to turn, and they are very hard and quite brittle. And that's where Easy Wood's negative rake technology really comes to the rescue. Negative rake refers to the shape of the cutting angle of the carbide. Basically, the cutting tool slopes away from the cutting edge at an optimal angle. Designed to be much less aggressive than the standard cutter, negative rake cutters result in safer, smoother, and more continuous cuts in those very hard materials. And it virtually eliminates chipping, chatter, and blowouts. For your benefit, Easy Wood Tool provides negative rake cutters as an interchangeable option for all of their standard tools. There are square cutters for roughing or truing up your blank, round cutters for inside and outside curves, and a diamond shaped for fine details. Regardless of what you're doing in the shop, the first step is always to figure out what's the best tool for the job. And Easy Wood Tools makes that, well, easy. So, when you're turning super hard woods or man-made materials, Easy Wood Tools makes it easy. And they also have a wide range of turning tools that address other, more common turning challenges. I've been hearing about negative rake tools for a while now, and I really wanted to learn more about them. I hope this video has been interesting to you and you might have learned a thing or two. I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal. Keep on making plastic dust.